Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to practice how to delete files on macOS. The first, simplest, and fastest way is this. Go ahead and select one or multiple files. Then hit Command Delete. This action moves your files straight to the trash. Now, if you delete a file by mistake and want to bring it back immediately, just press Command Z, and the file will be returned right where it was. If you don't like using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply right-click on the file you want to remove, then select Move to Trash. That sends it to the bin just the same. To recover a file later, open up the trash. Then restore it by right-clicking the file inside the trash and selecting Put Back. Now, if you want to delete a file permanently, select one or more files, then press the key combo Command-Option-Delete. You will get a warning that the file is about to be permanently deleted. Click Delete to confirm. And just like that, the file is gone forever and will no longer appear in the trash. You can check out my previous video on how to select multiple files or folders for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.